Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression x squared minus 2x minus 15 divided by x minus 5 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to simplify this expression. So, let's dive right in and get started. To begin solving the problem of reducing the rational expression x squared minus 2x minus 15 divided by x minus 5 to its lowest terms, we need to look at the numerator, which is x squared minus 2x minus 15. The objective is to factor this quadratic expression completely in order to better understand how it might simplify with the denominator. The expression x squared minus 2x minus 15 looks complex, but we can break it down. We need to identify two numbers that multiply to negative 15 and add up to negative 2. Let's think about the factors of negative 15. They are 1 times negative 15, negative 1 times 15, 3 times negative 5, negative 3 times 5. Among these pairs, 3 and negative 5 add up to negative 2. Therefore, we can rewrite the quadratic expression by breaking it into two binomials. This means we transformed x squared minus 2x minus 15 into x plus 3 times x minus 5. At this stage, our factored form of the numerator is x plus 3 times x minus 5. Now, our original expression transforms from x squared minus 2x minus 15 divided by x minus 5 to x plus 3 times x minus 5 divided by x minus 5. So the next step is to see whether any factors in the numerator and the denominator are the same. In this case, we notice that x minus 5 in the numerator and x minus 5 in the denominator are identical. That simplifies our task because identical terms in the numerator and the denominator can be cancelled out. But remember, cancelling only works if x minus 5 is not 0, which implies that x should not be equal to 5. So, we need to state that x is not equal to 5 to complete our simplification properly. Therefore, the simplified lowest term of our rational expression is x plus 3. Provided x is not equal to 5. In step 2, we observe that our factored numerator, which is x plus 3 times x minus 5, is divided by the denominator x minus 5. We see that the factor x minus 5 appears both in the numerator and the denominator. When the same factor exists in both the numerator and the denominator, we can cancel it out. This simplification can only occur if the value of x minus 5 is not 0. Therefore, x should not be equal to 5. By cancelling out the identical x minus 5 terms, we are left with x plus 3. Thus, the expression simplifies to x plus 3, provided that x is not equal to 5. This is the final step, and no further simplification is needed. The simplified expression is x plus 3, with the condition that x is not equal to 5.